What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Before I get started, just want to let you guys know this is definitely going to be a short video. Pretty much just giving you guys an update on what's going on with the Shelby. Let me give shout outs to A Towing Service. That's what it's called. They're here in Indiana. I tried to get quotes from at least 4 different towing companies around the city. And, everyone's quoting me about $550, $575. One company even quoted me $675. So I contacted A Towing. I sent them the same message on Facebook as I sent everybody else. And, the guy, Bob, this isn't Bob right here, but I guess it's Bob's towing company. He actually said, hey, it's going to be about $550, but you can actually sign up for the AAA Premier service, which gives you like 300 miles total towing, I believe, but it gives you one free tow up to 200 miles, right? And so Brenspeed is 2.5 hours away from me, but it's less than 200 miles, obviously. So I was able to sign up for that. You know what I'm saying? It costs about $220, $230. And so that's how I actually got the vehicle towed. The vehicle obviously starts, runs, and drives. But with the oil pressure not being where I want it, I'm not comfortable doing more damage to the motor when I can actually salvage some things. All right. So that's why I decided to get it towed. So the goal is to get it up to Brenspeed. Brenspeed is going to go ahead and start the teardown process. They're going to get the heads shipped off to the machine shop, get the heads resurfaced. They're going to go ahead and get the clutch installed, the stainless steel clutch line, and everything else I kind of did. By the time they get done with that, NPR should have the short block, shipped to Brenspeed. So it's getting shipped directly to Brenspeed, and I don't think we'll have any issues. NPR is also supplying, well, I paid for it, obviously, but they're supplying the ARP head studs and the Commentic head gaskets. Okay. So from what I understand, you only can use Commentic head gaskets. Okay. So with an NPR built block. All right. So that's pretty much where we're at. So we are at Brenspeed. Got the Shelby here, dropping the baby off. Basically, the goal is to get her taken care of, get her going as far as the disassembly right away, get the heads shipped off to the machine shop to get resurfaced. They're going to put those back together, not next Wednesday, but the Wednesday after that. It is scheduled to be, the motor is scheduled to be put back in the vehicle. So really 2-3 weeks, we should be able to have the Shelby back, as long as there's no setbacks. So I'll keep you guys updated. Until then, peace out.